Washing whites, blue detergent dilemma.
Hello, laundry enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common question that many have when it comes to doing their laundry. Can you wash white clothes with blue laundry detergent? Let's break it down and find the answer.
What is blue laundry detergent?
Blue laundry detergents contain a blue dye or pigment which is intended to counteract any yellowing that might occur in white fabrics over time. The blue tint, when lightly distributed over a white fabric, can make the fabric appear whiter to the human eye.
Is it safe to use blue detergent for white clothes?
Absolutely. Blue laundry detergents are formulated with white clothes in mind. However, a couple of precautions to consider. 1. Overuse. If you use too much detergent, you might find a bluish tint on the clothes. It's crucial to use the recommended amount. 2. Rinsing. Ensure that the washing cycle thoroughly rinses out the detergent. If residue remains, there might be a blue hue left on the clothes.
Are there any benefits?
Yes. Using blue laundry detergent can 1. Counteract yellowing. As mentioned earlier, the blue tint can help counteract any yellowing and make whites appear brighter. 2. Versatility. These detergents are often formulated to be effective on colored clothes as well, so you're not limited to just washing whites. In summary, it's perfectly fine to wash white clothes with blue laundry detergent. Just remember to use the right amount and ensure a thorough rinse. We hope this clears up any misconceptions and helps you achieve that crisp, clean look for your whites. Happy laundering!